Loud TikTok videos annoying you? Hate when the app blasts sound instantly? Here's how to open TikTok on mute. Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make social media tips and tech tutorials simple and beginner-friendly. Step 1. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Step 2. Look at the top right corner of your profile. Tap the menu icon to open more options. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section controls your TikTok account settings. Step 4. Scroll down through the settings page. Tap Playback to access video playback options. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie. We post simple TikTok tricks, app tutorials, and smartphone tips every week. Step 5. Find the option. Open TikTok on mute. Turn on the toggle switch to enable it. Step 6. Now TikTok videos will start muted when you open the app. Tap the screen or use volume buttons to unmute anytime. Now you know exactly how to make TikTok automatically open on mute, so loud videos won't surprise you anymore. For more TikTok tips, hidden features, and privacy settings, check out the next tutorial on Preyo Phonie. Thanks for watching.